Howdy, in today's video, we show you how to master the bigger time frame, 4 hour time frame to make money. How to make money with 4 hour time frame. 4 hour daily time frame can make you all the money you need in this industry. And I'll be showing you, putting you to how bigger time frame dictate the market, how bigger time frame direct, how bigger time frame give more volume, give more say in the market than any other thing. So why you should always choose or prioritize daily and 4 hour time frame whenever you're dealing. Last week I gave out some trade that we're looking at for. I gave out about 6 trade and everything played out accordingly. I'm going to do a review about them today. The one that didn't play out yet, we didn't enter, and I'll show you everything accordingly. Firstly, I said I'll be paying more attention. I gave about 6 trade for the new week. That was the week of December, the week of Christmas. I said I'll be looking about this trade. Is it 6 months? Yeah, the week where we are about to enter Christmas. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, is it the week of Christmas? I think. Yeah, I think so. I don't even forget self. I think so. So I gave out. I said I'll pay more attention to Euro USD because market was here, and I said this is what the pattern higher high lower low, higher low, and I'm setting a higher high here. And I told you guys I was getting a strong buy on this place, and I've been longing massively, guys, and see what market did. It long extensively. See what I saw on 4 hour time frame. I saw a pattern. It's called I saw a confirmation pattern. Can you see this pattern? I saw a pattern which I told my students a lot that you must understand this candlestick pattern. There are patterns that this thing will always show you. Candlestick speaks a language. What is left for you is to what decode those languages and then be able to interpret them and then apply them on the market. That's all. I don't do anything less than that. I just decode the language of the. If I don't understand the language the candlestick is speaking, I stay behind. I stay back. So once I see that this candles language, I can interpret it. I understood. He's speaking German today. He's speaking Portuguese today. He's speaking English today. He's speaking this one today. He's speaking French today. And I understand that I speak French. I understand that I speak Portuguese. So that kind of stuff. I'm just using it as an example actually. So once I understand the languages the market the candlestick is speaking, I got in and I shoot and made a lot of money. This trade was about 250 pips and we made a lot of money on it. Aside from that, I also told you guys that I'll be looking, pay more attention to also this baby as well, Euro AUD. Even though I gave about 6, but I specifically pull out 2 out of them, and I tell you I'll pay more attention to them because they look more clean, more cleaner than every one of them. I gave you guys this is what an air, this is what a shoulder, and a shoulder market was around here. I told you guys if market breaks this place, this shoulder here, it shows a full confirmation. This is it here, and it broke as usual. It broke, and then of course it kept going. I entered it already. I entered it and we make a lot of money. This is about 400 or so pips. Can you see? And it's still going. Can you see? And it's still going. It's still going. This is crazy pips, guys. This is you should do about 800 or 900 or 1,000 pips already. Because I do not see this coming back yet for any comeback. You just a retest. It's short retest. Come back to this our trend line. Then shoot again. For me, I'll be waiting to it to come here to this our short trend line, this place, and I'll shoot again. Let me show you guys. And I'm willing to shoot again. I'm very waiting for it to come to someone around here. And I'm willing to shoot again. That's all. I'm willing to shoot what to shoot, sell again, go short again. So aside from that, I also gave you my pair. I gave you this pair as well. I gave you another pair. I gave you GBPUSD as well. I said GBPUSD was around here. I told you that I was already in for this market. I told you guys then I was already in for this market. When it was here, I said I was already in on a buy. I should join me right now. And the market bought extensively, guys. Extensively. I was already in on this market. I told you guys extensively. And it bought extensively. Can you see? This is about 300 pips or so. Can you see, guys? That's crazy. It means whenever we come in here and give you guys what to expect for the new week, don't miss it. Don't play with it. Don't joke with it. Don't joke with it. Our analysis have been crazy back to back. Crazy back to back. Last week, probably we had about 50 trade. We won everything. I said this also last week that we started a winning streak since September. September and October was a winning streak. 2 month winning streak for us. We had a one or two losses early November. Then we'll pick it up again mid November. Until now, we've been having a winning streak. So why don't you join us, guys? We have a winner circle on Telegram. It's free. We have a VIP for free, and we have free signal as well. You can join the VIP for free as well. Okay, so you can join us and make money. Let's do this together. The sky is too big for us, every one of us, to fly and make money. Why should you be staying back? So why should you be still straining yourself back? You shouldn't be. Please, if you need signals, these are free, and then you should be able to have access to it. Join our Telegram. Look at the link around this and join our Telegram. You can access to us many signals daily as you want. So that is what I also told you guys that I'm also on AUDUSD. I said I'm longing it massively, guys, massively. When the market was around here, I told you guys I'm logging massively, and it played out again massively. And you see about 100 and something pips. It's crazy, guys. And the last one I also said I'm also looking for this one, USD CHF. No, not this USD CHF. I said I'm looking for this to do a buy. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. If it does something like this, let me show you guys. Let me show you. The last time Market bought here, he did a pin buy here. Let me show you. Market bought, do a pin bar and bought. Sometimes we do a pin bar here too and bought. So I'm setting a pin bar somewhere around here and then bought above this my this my drawings above here. I'm going to buy. So I placed my this in here. So that means I didn't pick this trade them. I didn't pick it. So I was going to buy above here only. I didn't pick it. That means 1:3. I didn't pick this trade and it's still what? It's still coming down. But if market comes up here, I'm willing to buy. But what I'm saying right now is still a good buy, structure buy. It's still a good structure for a buy for long, and the long will be so massive. It will be so massive, guys. So can you see how we are able to bisect all of these stuffs and then make it simple as if it's ABC. Am I talking somebody? As if it's ABC. Just a recap about what we did out. So I'll be doing a special video again. So I can prepare for the next week. Any trade we are giving out, know that it's a massive banger. It's a killing, man. Hold it firmly and go into the market and make money for the new week. Am I talking somebody? So make market for the new week and make money for the new week, guys. So that is that on all of the everything played out accordingly according to our biases and our direction. So in case you are just joining us for the very first time, I want to urge you please and please subscribe to this channel and of course share this video if you find it worthful, if you find it worthy, if you find it impactful and educative. Share this with any of your friends and let's do this together. You can comment, let me know if you have any questions or any of your own trade bias you threw out last week and I played out. Let me know on comment section as well. Thank you so much once again, guys, and have a wonderful and profitable week ahead. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.